These are the absolute non-negotiable essentials that I need with me when I'm on the road. Okay, first up we got the field notes guide, because everybody secretly wants to be Wes Anderson. Nope, this is where I'll write down focal length, aperture, and white balance. Next up, we got Apple AirPods. Honestly, just because of the noise canceling. We got the Apple Watch, my favorite way to pay. I get to put Apple Cash on there and it keeps me on budget. The Meta Ray-Bans. It's a hand-free camera, gives me directions without looking like a tourist, and it's low-key headphones that can last up to 36 hours with a charging case. Next, the LISEN Ultra Slim Power Bank. It gives my phone 3 full charges, perfect for travel days, has wireless charging for iPhones and watches, and even has an integrated USB-C cable for quicker 15-watt charging, and it's the size of a wallet. The Charge ASAP 200-watt power adapter. It has 4 connections, 2 USB Type-Cs and 2 USB Type-As, with the Cs capable of 100 watts each. This makes it so my camera, laptop, batteries, and audio are always ready to rock. The SmallRig 9-in-1 folding multi-tool. It's about the size of your keys. It has a Phillips and flathead screwdriver, a 3/16 Allen wrench, threaded holes on the side to hold your cord to 20 screws, and I always have it on me. And then lastly, the Switchblade Comb, because you always gotta look slick, no excuses. Being everywhere pretty much does the job. Let's check it out really quick. What I love about type ahead, right? Got these 3 possible cool, but it has 9 out of. You gotta have the guitar pick, right? Because you don't know when. You have to take a sad song and make it better until you're there, and maybe this helps get the job done. So this right here is the Everyday Carry, or EDC, Location Edition. Obviously, high marks for